Hi, I would just like to look at two mathematical integrations. The first one is to integrate the natural log of x with respect to x, and then the second one I'm going to do is to integrate tan x with respect to x. So let's have a look at the natural log of x with respect to x first. Now the way to integrate that is to use the integration product rule, and if you're not familiar with it, I've just actually done a video on it a few days ago on the integration product rule, basically how to prove that, if you're not familiar with it. But if you are familiar with the product rule, we want to say that the natural log of x, it's the natural log of x times 1. So to integrate that then, we're going to say that, it's the natural log of x times 1. So the first step then is we're just going to take the natural log of x itself, and then the second part is just the 1. And then we're going to subtract the integral of the product of the derivative of natural log of x times the integral of 1 dx. So the two parts are log of x, natural log of x, and then 1. So we've got ln x, natural log of x, so 1 just integrates just to give me x. And then I've got the integral of the derivative of natural log of x is just 1 over x. And then 1 itself just integrates into x. So the two x's will cancel out. So basically, I'm just, to make it tidier, I'm going to call the ln x all times x. I'm just going to call it x ln x because it looks tidier. So the first part's x ln x, and then the second term I need to integrate is just 1 dx, which just integrates to x plus c. So the integral of the natural log of x is x times natural log of x just minus x plus c. Okay, so I'm now going to integrate, let's integrate the tan of x of dx. So the tan of x dx, it's the same as integrating sine over cos dx. Now, I'm not going to use the product rule this time. I'm just going to use substitution this time. So what I'd like to do is, I would like to say let a function u be substituted for cos x, and that means then that du by dx is equal to minus sine x, and that means that sine x itself is minus u. So sine x itself is minus du by dx. So if I go back to the integral of tan x dx, then the top part, which is the sine x, that's just your minus du by dx. Because I'm dividing by cos x, that's just dividing by u. So the integral then is minus du by dx times u with respect to x. Now the du by dx and then the dx at the end, they kind of cancel out. So I end up with it's minus the integral of du over u, which is the natural log of u plus c. So bringing back the cos x, because u is just the same as cos x. So the integral then of tan x dx, it's the natural log, it's minus the natural log of cos x plus c, or you can call it the natural log of sec x, because the secant of x is 1 over cos x plus c. So they're both the same thing. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and goodbye.